Haka jinglut ke bakot Bhoi pensan folklor tengkah. Latih ke jekasa jong samla pule ke karbi yang long na gejala Assam. Hak belala ban pelipaj ba mentang sengi dau menteri rengba ke Assam u Himanta Biswas Dharma. Ryngkat bar menteri rengba ke jela Meghalaya u Konrad ke Sangma. Ia ke belai kerteng dage Ktien karbi, ia ke belatip kum ke karbi Hemtun halaban Shillong. Nalor gane kila buru yau mau nongrim na ke benta bantai ya ke hostel ke bandan hadu sispa Jingplie bat kum juru ke commercial complex. Ha kene ke jinglang ke belapli pajba ya ke te ke karbi Hemtun lai dan langru sembut menteri rembak ke jela ubak sngewbha langdar nang ta UCM jong ke karbi Anglong Autonomous Council u Dr. Tuliram Ronghang UCM ke catch edisi ubak peniasing sim kinong mikmat nang jela Assam lempat kiwe-kiwe.
Where is it? Top floor.
There's one more floor on top.
No, you have to show which one.
So we'll show you the rooms on top. But we'll open this.
Honorable CM of Meghalaya for his love and affection to the people of Karbi Anglong and for the people of Assam. As I told you that this is an important day for the people of Karbi Anglong. We have completed Hemtun here in Shillong, and the next project, that commercial building as well as 100-bedded student hostel will also come sooner than later. People of Karbi Anglong has a long bond with the people of Meghalaya. We share our boundary and we are friends. That is why a Karbi Bhavan in Shillong is very important milestone for all of us. আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ স্বায়ত্তশাসিত পৰিষদৰ উদ্যোগত আজি অকল কাৰ্বি আংলঙতে নহয় বিভিন্ন স্থানত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজৰ উপকাৰৰ বাবে বিভিন্ন কাম-কাজ হাতত লোৱা হৈছে। আজি কাৰ্বি ভৱনৰ নিৰ্মাণ আমাৰ সকলোৰে বাবে এটা আনন্দৰ বিষয়। যোৱা সপ্তাহত আমি নতুন দিল্লীৰ Ryngkat গৈছিলো। কাৰ্বি ভৱনৰ নিৰ্মাণৰ কাম আমি চাইছিলো আৰু মই বিশ্বাস কৰো যে এবছৰৰ ভিতৰত দিল্লীতো আমাৰ কাৰ্বি ভৱন নিৰ্মাণৰ কাম সমাপ্ত হ'ব। কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আজি উন্নয়ন আৰু প্ৰগতি হৈছে আৰু এই উন্নয়ন আৰু প্ৰগতিৰ লগত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজৰ সুবিধাৰ বাবে শিলং দিল্লী এই স্থানসমূহতো আজি কাৰ্বি হেমটুন বা কাৰ্বি ভৱন নিৰ্মাণৰ কাম আৰম্ভ হৈছে। আজি আমি গৌৰৱ অনুভৱ কৰো যে আমাৰ অসমৰ 6 শিডিউল অঞ্চলসমূহে
The people of different communities, irrespective of which caste or creed or religion they belong to, but for all the people, his commitment to ensure that there is overall development of Assam and ensure that there is an inclusive development of Assam. So I thank him and congratulate him and Dr. Tuliram on this great achievement that has been done today out here. I also would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to our state of Meghalaya, and many of you have come from far off places, from different locations. Some of you are here in Shillong and Meghalaya itself. So to all our friends and our guests and leaders of the State Assembly, members of Parliament, members of the Autonomous Council, and all other friends who have come, I take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Meghalaya to welcome each and every one of you to our state of Meghalaya. Welcome to Meghalaya. And thank you for this wonderful reception that you had out here. When I walked into this place, the kind of reception that was given to us, the kind of warmth that we felt, the smiles on your face, the wonderful color and the culture that was showcased today out here is once again a real example of the kind of beauty, the kind of richness and the kind of diversity that the people of the Northeast and the Northeast in general has. And seeing this diversity is really kind of a very, very satisfying moment for me. And I thank again Turiramji for having showcased the culture of the different tribes of the Northeast today here in this particular program. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज इस